Okay, we are going to start with IELTS speaking part 1, and we'll ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer.
Okay, fine.
He's going to ask you the questions and I will give you the feedback.
Fine.
Right? And you have to answer the same way. Step 1,
Yeah, sure.
direct answer. Step 2, elaboration. Step 3, conclusion. So, let's start.
Do you often invite friends to visit your home?
Yes, I do, because I love I love studying with my friends, because this way I can share or explore different thoughts which are being shared by my friends as well. Plus, the group studies doesn't make me that much tired or exhausted, so it keeps me energetic as well. So, conclude your answers. Yes, I do often.
Okay, overall your answer is good. It went a bit irrelevant when you started defining group studies.
Yeah.
Basically, the question is, do you often invite your friends?
Yeah.
So just focus on invitation and friends, and that's it.
I just got the idea that you
That's okay.
Group studies.
Yeah, then you elaborated what the group study is
Yeah,
and
yeah,
all.
yeah,
This
yeah.
is how you go beyond the topic.
Okay,
and there is one good thing. When he said, do you often invite? You said, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
So whenever the question starts with helping verb, do you, did you, will you, you should answer, yes, I do. Yes, I did. Yes, I will. And then you can give your full answer. Very good.
Sure.
Let's go on.
Do you warmly accept unexpected visitors?
Unexpected?
Visitors.
Do you
Unexpected
warmly-
visitors. Yes, I do, because I'm a very lively person and I love meeting new people. And if some unexpected people come to my place, I always welcome them.
This is very good. Keep it up.
How often do you get visitors?
Not much, but yes, I'm very keen to have them.
Okay, this answer is very short. How
Short.
often do you get visitors, or how often do you receive visitors? Not much, but whenever I receive them, I become very happy. And
Very
I think
happy.
usually on the weekends, people visit my house. Something
Okay,
like
fine.
that.
Yeah,
4,
sure.
5 sentences, okay? One more.
When do visitors come to your house? Occasions. You have to tell
Okay,
about
let's
occasions.
just
How
change
often?
this question. I tell you, I
Okay.
ask you this
Yeah.
question. What do you usually do with the visitors who visit your house? Now you will talk about activities.
Yeah, firstly, I just go and greet them with a drink, which I usually it's a
Welcoming
juice.
drink,
Yeah, obviously. And then I just have some good time with them by sharing my personal space with them. Obviously, you have to. And yeah.
Okay, thank you. Listen,
Then I do.
focus fluency, number 1. Number 2, elaborate more, right? Sometimes you think too much and then
Yeah.
you speak less and think more. So just overcome all these things. Overall, your accent is good, ideas are good, just you need practice.
I've not been given that much time, the
As
time they are
they'll
giving.
get that. I
was
know.
the
Don't
worst
worry.
one.
Don't worry. Okay?
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.